Okay, so here we have the very basic of electronic components, right? Uh, so these are very often found in a wide range of consumer electronics, right? As a matter of fact, no consumer electronics, you know, will be found without these components here, right? So what I'll be doing is actually going through what these are, right? Really quick, and in future videos we will go into more details about each and even construct a couple circuits with these components here, right? So the very uh, basic, right, is a switch, right? So let's begin with the switch, right? A switch, these are switches, right? And they, as you can see, are in various shapes and sizes, right? But the function of a switch is to actually open or close a circuit, right? So it can be used to allow current to pass in the circuit, in a closed circuit, by closing the circuit, or it can be used to cut off the flow of current, as in the case of an open circuit, right? So they are used to close and open the circuit, right? The next one we want to look at are resistors, right? These are used to limit the amount of current flowing in a circuit, right? So again, there are various shapes and sizes, right? These particular one are some variable resistors, so they vary in resistance, right? This one varies from 0 right up to about 20 kilo ohms, right? Next one we want to talk about are some capacitors, right? These are used to store uh, electric charge, right? Again, various shapes, sizes, right? We'll actually go into more details about these, right? These are quite extensively used, as well as resistors and switches, obviously. Right. The next one we want to talk about are some diodes, right? These particular ones are some general purpose diodes, right? The really big ones, right, down to the really small ones, right? These now are some light emitting diodes, right? So they emit light when a certain amount of current is passing through them, right? Very widely used as well, right? Over here now we have some inductors, right? And they are used to uh, prevent any sudden change in current, right? They are called inductors or chokes or coils, right? Any of those trees refer to these devices, right? Now we are left with these over here, which are called transistors, right? So they can be used for amplification or for switching purposes, right? So again, we'll go into more details where these are concerned, right? And then finally we want to talk about these. Now these are some ICs or integrated circuits, right? This one here is an op amp, right? This one is an OR gate, right? And this one is an up amp as well, right? So these are some of the basic electronic components, right? As I said, as we go further, we'll actually go into more details about these in specifics, right? So that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned, as we roll out other videos around basic electronic components.